Hey, we're here today at eimports4Less talking about a recent addition to our inventory. This year's a 2001 Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's a Lariat trim package vehicle. Metallic teal and harvest gold two-tone on the exterior with the beige leather interior. And the vehicle currently has 85,000 miles on it. This 4x4 crew cab pickup truck is powered by a Triton V10. As you can see, overall it's in pretty good condition. There are a couple of smaller dents and dings, as well as a larger patch of ruts, such as this one right here. A crease in the rear passenger door, and some rust down at the bottom of the front passenger side door. We'll take a look around the interior. Wood grain trim, 6-disc in-dash CD changer, leather captain chairs up front. All the details for this vehicle can be seen anytime at eimports.com. And we can take questions here at the store at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.